can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a
done a great job there. Alright, here's Colsey back in the other lane. Punishing those rear tyres. C Commodore, Barra powered BC Commodore. Quite a distance, but lining up against him, went cold, beautiful fire station. got that on the car as well. Almost like it's boarding or something like that. Something saying, but they've got the radial or whether you...
$117, mate, that's not enough.
Oh, it's nowhere near enough, mate.
I'm gonna have to pick that up a bit.
And to see how popular they're becoming as a race car. Absolutely brilliant stuff. Car actually all the way down the track, very similar. 4.1 to 4.3 to 165 foot bar. Car track 6.3 to 6.38. And as I was racing between those two there. Davis Craig water pump for Justin Cook. So if you've got one, we would love for you to bring it behind and roll it down. That puts you now in front straight away.
Chasing that money. Is that a 957?
Yeah, boy. Danny Lansdowne and Bruce Hunt. Danny Lansdowne and Bruce Hunt. Last street, of course, brought to us by 6 Boost. And he goes across the finish line to take the win with a 9.60. Bruce Hunt, he got pushed to the limits and broke out with a 9.44 on that 950 index. He went too quick, and the win went to the Golby's Parts and Fabrication Lane, Danny Lansdowne, with a 9.60 with a 9 on the 950 index.
Who won? Who won?
I wasn't watching.
What?
I was running to watch and then I missed it.
Did ya?
Who won?
You're gonna have to go and check. Who'd you want to win?
Golby's Jzfest.
Let's go. Bring around the tape frame. Hook the chain on and then we'll pull back.
Massive shout out to Danny for taking out the win in his class. So cool to win the inaugural Jzfest. You gotta be stoked to be a part of the Spot On crew. So good to see them out in their street cars enjoying it. Absolute epitome of racing family.